I've travelled round for many a year to far off foreign lands, and I've seen sights and city lights and walked the desert sands. But when I'm far away, I think of how I'd like to go over the rocks and the boggy tops and the mountains of Mayo. Whenever I've been away from home, working with foreign friends, building roads and shifting loads until the daylight ends. But when they ask about my home, sometimes a tear will flow when I talk about my little house in the mountains of Mayo. They oft times ask me why I left this emerald of the sea, where the fields are green and air is clean and the people are so free. But the curse of emigration drives us out like long ago, from the villages, towns and the country sounds and the mountains of Mayo. Now that I'm married and settled down with the family I hold dear, and when I talk of places I've walked where I lived for many a year, a longing soon comes over me, and I promise someday I'll go where the rivers flow and the pine trees grow in the mountains of Mayo, where the rivers flow and the pine trees grow in the mountains of Mayo.